Okay, got it. Hello everyone. So I've posted some files into the WhatsApp group. So you can open it. You can open the first two, the one that I said create tables and the one that I said EMR insert value. So you can open the first two. And we need a VC code, the Python code. You open the VC code, you open your SQL Management Studio. So when you are done with that, let me know. Have you opened it?
Yes, I've opened the
The one that I
the
said
Python.
created, yes, Python, yes, yeah, created table. You open that and you open Python script insert. So you open those two first and you go back to your Python VC code.
Visual Studio.
Yeah, Visual Studio VC code. So we used to short it VC code. That's Visual Studio.
Okay.
So you open that. When you open that, you click on File. You click on New File, and it will ask you whether you want to
New
open with
file.
Jupyter Notebook. If you could remember the last time when we did a Python, so we are using Jupyter Notebook.
Yes.
Yes. When you open that, so the code that you copy first is the create the table, and I will explain the code to you because it's a lot and like we cannot write that in class. It will take a lot of time. So copy that. When you open your Jupyter notebook is open already, right? So copy that create
Yes, it
table.
is open.
Yeah, copy that and paste it here, and let's do the explanation of what we are trying to do here. And also, your management studio is open to is connected already. It's funny.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, copy that.
So I think I have challenge with the Microsoft Word. It's not opening on my system.
You mean your
Yeah,
management?
I think the problem is the WhatsApp. If you can just help me paste it, put it
Okay,
on
let's
the
chat here.
Zoom.
Okay.
Yes, on the Zoom chat. I should be able to download it.
Mhm. You mean the created file, right?
Yes, those two files,
Files.
Microsoft files
Okay.
that you said I should download.
Okay.
Mm.
Admissions. Copy the first one. That's the first one.
Okay, just a moment.
Um,
I should copy everything.
Copy everything and paste it to the physical code.
Okay. Yes, done.
Huh? So
Done.
share your screen so
Done.
that I can explain something for you before I want the second part of it. We want part of it. You can share your screen.
Okay.
I think my John is not
Can you see it?
responding. Mm, I'm coming. Yes, I can see it. Yes, yes, yes. So, yes. Is that the end?
Oh, that's from the top.
Yes, go down. I want to see the. Yes. Okay, yeah, go up. Let me explain the code to you. Mm. So, the first part is we import the
Okay.
library called PyODBC. So, before you connect your Python to SQL, you have to have that library installed. And we have from Faker, import Faker is a library. Faker is a library too. So anywhere you see import random is a library too. So when you come down, you see that we say connect. That CONN is connect. It's short con is equal to the library that we install first to connect. Our driver for the SQL Server is, I don't know if we run it, you may see a little error, but let's. So for my own end, my driver is driver 18 for SQL Server. So you will now go back to your server. You look for your server name. My own server name is
Okay.
Ashat. You understand? You copy your own and paste it here. Before that, you can share your management studio.
Where,
Share your management studio.
okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Go back to connect here.
Where do I go?
Connect under the objective, no,
Connect.
object explorer. Click on that connect. Yes. Yeah, this is your server.
This.
SQL Express. Yes. Copy. Yes. Dot slash SQL Express. That's your server name. Copy that.
Yes, I've copied that.
Yeah, you go and change your VC. Go back to your VC code. Yes. Yeah, change it.
So where
No,
you
leave
have
that server. Yes,
Asia.
from Ashat and yeah, change it to yours. Till 2029 years. Delete and paste yours. Good. Go back to the SQL Management Studio. So yeah, create another
Yeah.
database.
I'm here.
Connect. Yes, connect and create database. Call the database EMRDB.
Capital letter.
Yes, DB. Yes,
Is it?
yes, yes. Okay. So we have a new database called EMRDB. Yeah, go back to your VC code.
Okay, I want to connect to that database.
Yes.
Uh, I have to refresh.
No, it's here. I saw it now.
Uh,
Yeah, I saw it. EMRDB.
okay.
Connect.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, go back to the. So this database is empty. There's nothing inside here. You understand? If you open it, you will not
Yeah.
see any table there. So go back to
All right.
physical code. So
Okay.
there's there are two ways that we can do this thing. We created a database EMRDB. Sometimes you can create all your table inside SQL Management Studio and now insert your value from Python to that database. But I'm doing it all way around. I want to create my table in Python, insert the value inside the Python so that they will connect. If I connect to my database, everything that I run here, it will go there. So scroll down little by little, little by little. So the console, excuse me.
Good
So
afternoon, ma.
good morning from here. Good afternoon in Nigeria. So now we want to create
Hey,
tables. So the tables we are creating are EMR, electronic medical record. We see patient, department, lab results. So we are creating like maybe 11 or 10 tables here. So and the first table is department. You see, create a department table is the same method how we create our table inside the management studio. You understand? So create department. You see that the department ID is integer and is a primary key. So all this code from, you can scroll down little, sir. So I create
This identity,
yeah, I'm
under that department, I see identity. I've never come across it in the past.
yeah, in when you are creating your table, so the unique column there, like a department ID, provider ID, you have to assign it identity one by one. That means one by one that it has to be unique. You understand? That is your
Eh,
primary key. It has to be unique. So that is why they put one by one. So when you go down, I want to see if we will see foreign key there. So when you go to table provider,
There is
when you
foreign
come
key
down,
in the
foreign
second
key,
table.
yes, department ID. That means that you can connect your provider table to department. You want to know maybe how many
Okay.
provider in each department. That's why they put foreign key of department there. You see that foreign key, they do not put identity. So when you go
Okay.
down, we have patient table, we have visit table. So all the table that we create here, when you run your Python now, everything will, you will see it in your database. So can you run your, so you see we have a lot of tables created already. It's the same
One
met
other
is
thing that I need to seek explanation is this conditional statement that you started with. If object ID, something like that, I could see it in virtually all of them. And we have never taught, you have never been taught anything like that.
if object
Hello?
ID precision slash u is no. So it's a conditional statement. When you are writing your Python, when you go up, I mentioned something, console, go up, you can scroll up. So you will call some library, yeah, console, connect dot console. When you are writing your tables inside the Python, so you have to understand that if, because oh, I'm coming, excuse me. Sorry. So this console is equal to connect the console. Anytime you are writing your Python code, you have to put is the library that we first call from import py that is to connect your library. You understand? So inside that library, we will have different, what should I call it? I'm just thinking what to, when you have a library that you are using running your code, we have different, is it function under it? I don't know what. So the if object department/u is known. So the object is ask SQL server. Does an object with the name exist? Is asking SQL server that if department is exist. You understand? It will check for object name
Okay.
department. That is the condition that we are, that if object, because it's a condition statement. It's checking if department has been created in the table or is exist. If not, it will create that
Okay.
table for you. So that's what if object ID, department, provider, patient, you. So it's just confirming if the table does not exist, SQL Server will return none. But if it exists, yeah, if it does not
Okay.
exist, SQL Server return none. You understand? So that is the condition of using that if statement, is to check if the any tables is exist in the database. So you can run the data, you can run it up. Yeah, click on the run. I just pay that. Yeah, excuse. There's error. Yeah. Scroll down. Let's see your error. Import. You don't have that import. So scroll up. So create another code area and let's import the file ODB first. No, just click on the.
What I do your top.
Oh yeah, code be what? Code, add code beside the generate. Click on that code. The tab, toolbar, is it to and to that barcode, generate code, markdown one, or you see the code beside it. Just click on that code so that we can run the. I want to install the PyODBC first. No, not that side. Go up here.
Okay.
Where the beside the markdown.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, that's good. Oh
Okay.
yeah, you can install your write exclamation pip install py. Let me copy it to chat. Yes, yeah, install.
Is it okay like this?
Yes, let's run it first. If it doesn't work, we can add faker, but I don't think you need to add faker now. Run it. Yes, it's installed successfully. So yeah, go back to our code and rerun the code, the entire code again. I hope you did not mess up with the code.
I'm not sure I have not.
Okay, yeah, run
There is a
it.
split.
Copy it. You can run that one first. No, something is happening. Connect PO. Copy it and paste it where it is.
Okay, the first one.
Yeah, the first one, paste it under the driver side because it has to be together. Yes. Yeah, run it now. Another error. Can you go down from faker? The module, no module faker. We have to install that. Or should we run it with this thing? PP install pi odbc faker. Let's see. Mm. Or we should install the faker separately. Mm. If this doesn't work, we'll pip install faker. We'll do that one to save. Ca-
It's fine now.
Oh yeah, can you run it? Bam, open.
I've run it. It's okay now. I've
Sorry.
run it already. It's okay.
Yeah, let's go to your. Have you run the code? Okay, yeah, go back to
Yes,
your
yes, yes.
management studio. Go back to your
I've run
management
it.
studio. Refresh and open your MARDB. Open the tables. These are
Yeah, oh, yeah.
tables. You see the magic. So open it. All the tables are empty. Nothing there. So
Okay.
so let's go back to VC code. I don't think I'll paste this one because it's huge data. I'll paste it two times so that you copy it. Mm,
Sorry, ma, I want to ask a question.
copy. Yes.
Um, is it that we connect our SQL to the Python and then we can now run the command from the Python to reflect in our database from the SQL?
Yes.
Is that what
Yes.
we are doing?
Yes. So
Okay.
yeah, you can create your tables from Python, but you first connect your Python to the SQL. Sometimes you may have background data running on Python here and or you are doing some analysis here, you are creating your, in SQL we cannot create visual pattern and trend there, and you want to quickly check something using SQL, some analysis, you can connect your SQL to your Python. So I just created this table to see how, assuming that your data are sitting here in Python and you want to do some analysis in SQL, you see that how you can connect your Python to the SQL to reflect all your data from Python in SQL. So you see another magic now when we insert the data. So copy this one first and I'll paste the last part.
I've not seen anyone.
I'm coming. Yes, it's in now. Stop asking education. Don't want the code yet. I want to copy the rest because I tried to paste everything, but Zoom is not allowing me to paste everything. Still, wait. Next. I'm waiting for Zoom to. Yeah, paste the last one. Copy the last one and paste it.
Are they together?
Yeah, together. Paste it.
I couldn't locate the beginning.
We stop. No, the last one that I pasted now, just copy everything from that chart.
I'm just trying to locate the chart.
It's separate. Okay, let me do
It
it
should be
again.
separate.
Yes, let me do a low and so that we can have, and I'll paste it again.
Okay. It's okay.
It's more than 6,200. It's more than that. Let me do it another way. I'm gonna. I cannot do so. Let me paste it on your WhatsApp.
Okay.
The last part that's I paste on the group, copy that.
Okay. I'm checking. I've pasted it.
Yeah, I want it. Oh, wait. Can you stop running? Stop. Yeah, change your server name to your server name. My name's still there. So it will give you an error.
It refused to stop.
Okay, it will stop me. Okay, okay. Yeah, change your
Okay.
server name to your server name. Please, note to all of you, you have to change your server name to your server. Not, don't use my server name. If you use my server name,
Okay, okay, ma'am.
yeah, it is SQL Express. Yes, you copy from here. You see how Mr. Wahab is copying. So you copy your server name and change it.
Okay. Can I run it again?
Yes, yes.
This first part, is it that you said clean database? What does it imply?
Which one?
Because I can see that there is a command that is saying that previous data should be deleted. This one, this
Yes,
part. Yeah.
yes, that is it will check our database, print deleting previous data, table delete order. So, we use list. If you remember list function, squared bracket. So all the database that we created before, sometimes you want to check your tables inside your database if there's any data
It's
inside
fine.
that you don't want to use